Do-it-yourself collagen masks for radiant skin. In today's video, we'll show you 5 easy recipes with natural ingredients that you can make at home. Let's get started. First, let's dive into why collagen is so crucial for your skin. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to your skin, keeping it firm and elastic. It's essentially the building block that holds your skin together, giving it that youthful, plump appearance. As we age, our body's natural collagen production decreases. This decline usually starts in our mid-20s and continues to accelerate as we get older. The result? Fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. Without sufficient collagen, our skin loses its firmness and elasticity, making it more susceptible to the signs of aging. That's where collagen masks come into play. These masks help to replenish and boost the collagen levels in your skin, promoting a more youthful and radiant complexion. By incorporating collagen masks into your skincare routine, you can help counteract the natural decline of collagen, keeping your skin looking smoother, firmer, and more vibrant. So, in addition to your daily skincare regimen, don't forget to treat yourself to a collagen mask every now and then. Let's get hands-on with our first DIY collagen mask recipe. Today, we'll be making a gelatin and honey mask, a perfect blend to boost your skin's collagen levels and keep it hydrated. First, let's gather our ingredients: unflavored gelatin, honey, warm water. To start, take a tablespoon of unflavored gelatin and mix it with 2 tablespoons of warm water. Stir until the gelatin is fully dissolved. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture and blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. Why this combination? Gelatin is a powerhouse of collagen, which helps to firm and rejuvenate the skin. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, keeping it hydrated and nourished. Now, it's time to apply. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply a thick layer of the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel the mask tightening as it dries. That's the gelatin working its magic. After the time is up, gently rinse off the mask with warm water, revealing your refreshed and radiant skin. Incorporating this gelatin and honey mask into your skincare routine once a week can make a significant difference in your skin's texture and appearance. Give it a try and let your skin glow with the benefits of collagen. Hey, quick reminder, if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe to Youthful Glow. It means the world to us. Also, let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover in our future videos. Your opinions truly matter, and we'd love to hear from you. It's time for our second DIY collagen mask recipe, the yogurt and avocado mask. This mask is a delightful blend of nourishing ingredients that will leave your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and rejuvenated. Let's start by gathering our ingredients: plain yogurt, avocado, honey, lemon juice. First, take half an avocado and mash it until you get a smooth paste. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Combine the mashed avocado with this mixture and stir until well blended. Why these ingredients, you ask? Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamins that deeply moisturize and nourish the skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. Honey, as we know, is a natural humectant, and lemon juice adds a touch of brightness, helping to even out skin tone. Now, let's apply the mask. Using clean fingers or a brush, spread a generous layer of the mixture onto your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing your skin to soak in all the goodness. After the time is up, rinse off the mask with warm water and pat your skin dry. Incorporating this yogurt and avocado mask into your skincare routine once a week can help maintain your skin's youthful glow and elasticity. Now let's dive into our third DIY collagen mask recipe, the banana and coconut oil mask. This mask harnesses the power of natural ingredients to deeply nourish your skin and boost collagen production. First, let's gather our ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of honey. Start by mashing the ripe banana until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency. Next, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of honey to the mashed banana. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you have a creamy, luxurious blend. But why these ingredients? Banana is packed with vitamins A, B, and E, which help moisturize the skin, boost collagen production, and promote smoother skin. Coconut oil is renowned for its deeply hydrating properties, locking moisture into the skin and providing a rich source of antioxidants. Honey, as we've discussed, is a natural humectant, hydrating and soothing the skin while aiding in the collagen-boosting effect. Now let's apply the mask. Using clean fingers or a brush, spread the mixture evenly over your face, paying special attention to areas prone to fine lines. Let the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing your skin to absorb all the nutrients. After the time is up, rinse off the mask with warm water and pat your skin dry. Incorporating this banana and coconut oil mask into your skincare routine once a week will not only support collagen production, but also provide deep hydration and nourishment for a radiant glow. Give this mask a try and experience the rejuvenating benefits of this collagen-boosting recipe. Now, let's explore another fantastic DIY collagen mask recipe, the egg white and olive oil firming mask. This mask is designed to tighten and firm your skin, giving you a youthful, radiant glow. First, let's gather our ingredients. 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Begin by separating the egg white from the yolk and placing it in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to the egg white and mix well. For an extra boost, you can optionally add a pinch of turmeric powder for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Stir everything together until smooth. But why these ingredients? Egg white is known for its high protein content, which helps to tighten and firm the skin, boosting collagen production. Olive oil is a powerful moisturizer that protects the skin barrier and enhances skin elasticity. Lemon juice brightens the complexion and helps exfoliate, contributing to smoother skin. Turmeric provides anti-inflammatory benefits and helps with skin radiance and even tone. Now, let's apply the mask. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the mask to work its magic. After the time is up, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and follow with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and maintain firm, glowing skin. This honey-free recipe still provides excellent collagen boosting and firming benefits, making it perfect for those looking for a natural, nourishing mask. Give this egg white and olive oil firming mask a try and enjoy the revitalizing effects on your skin. For our final DIY collagen mask recipe, we have the vitamin C and aloe vera mask. This mask is a simple yet powerful blend of ingredients designed to boost collagen production and soothe your skin. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. Vitamin C powder, aloe vera gel, honey. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of vitamin C powder with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and stir the mixture until well combined. Why these ingredients, you ask? Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that promotes collagen synthesis, helping to maintain the skin's firmness and elasticity. Aloe vera is renowned for its soothing and hydrating properties, making it perfect for calming irritated skin. Honey, as we've mentioned before, is a natural humectant that locks in moisture. Now, let's apply the mask. Using clean fingers or a brush, spread a thin layer of the mixture onto your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing your skin to absorb all the beneficial nutrients. After the time is up, rinse off the mask with cool water and pat your skin dry. Incorporating this vitamin C and aloe vera mask into your skincare routine once a week can help enhance your skin's radiance and collagen levels. To make the most of your collagen-boosting masks, here are a few essential tips. First, always apply the mask on clean, exfoliated skin. This helps to remove dead skin cells, allowing the active ingredients to penetrate deeper and work more effectively. Second, use the mask consistently, about 1 to 2 times a week, to see the best results. Consistency is key in any skincare routine. Third, remember that a balanced skincare routine is crucial. Incorporate hydration and sun protection daily. Hydrated skin is more resilient and better able to absorb nutrients, while sun protection prevents collagen degradation caused by UV rays. By following these tips, you can maximize the benefits of your DIY collagen masks and achieve radiant, youthful skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY skincare recipes and tips.